How to log in to Figma account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Figma account. For that, first of all, open your Figma application on your device. If not, install it first. Now once you open the Figma application, here on the interface you'll be able to locate this login with browser option. Simply click on it and then now you will be redirected to a browser. Once you are redirected to a browser, here you'll be able to see the login interface. Here now you will need to enter your registered email address and password in order to log into your Figma account. And alternatively, you may also click on this continue with Google option at the top in order to sign in using your Google account. Here, since I have created my account using email and password, I am going to use my registered email and password in order to log into my Figma account. Simply enter your registered email address in this first field and then click on the second field to enter the password. Make sure to enter it correctly. In case if you don't remember your password, you may also click on this reset password link at the very bottom, and then from there you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover it. And after that, enter the correct password in this field. Also, you can use this use single sign-on link in order to use the single sign-on method in order to log into your account. Now once after entering your email address and password, click on this login button right here. After that, you will be logged into your account in your browser. Now click on this open app button right here in order to open your application in desktop. So now after doing that, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Here click on this open Figma. Now here in the application you will see you have been logged into your Figma account. Now you'll be able to access it. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Figma account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.